Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad, Pink. Let your kids shine bright like they're masterpieces. Unleash your child's inner artist with the Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad, Pink, a creative wonderland designed for kids 6 and up. With its powerful LED light and non-slip frame, this tracing pad transforms sketching into an effortless adventure. Say goodbye to smudges and shaky lines. This light box offers a steady glow that makes tracing clear and fun, ensuring every masterpiece shines with perfection. What sets this tracing pad apart? It's not just a toy, it's a gateway to boundless creativity. Packed with over 100 traceable images and more available online, it keeps kids inspired and engaged for hours. Whether they're exploring 2D animation, sketching, or expressive lettering, this pad offers a versatile, hands-on art experience. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for home, travel, or even homeschooling art sessions. Durability meets practicality in this thoughtfully designed kit. The paper-locking frame keeps sheets secure for precise lines, while the LED light ensures even illumination without flickering. Powered by 3 AA batteries, not included, it's a hassle-free tool that's always ready for action. Plus, the included 12 short-colored pencils and 10 blank and tracing sheets mean your little artist has everything they need right out of the box. Why choose the Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad, Pink? It's affordable, tech-tested, and built to last, making it a gift that keeps on giving. Unlike flimsy alternatives, this tracing pad offers unmatched quality and convenience. Parents will love how it saves on endless paper and provides a mess-free drawing experience, while kids will adore its vibrant design and endless creative possibilities. Looking for a gift that's fun, functional, and unforgettable? This is it. Perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because, the Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad is more than a present, it's an investment in your child's imagination. Watch their confidence soar as they create, trace, and color their way to artistic brilliance.